Hi again, Kevin Gallagher from Mental Performance Coaching, and welcome to our 12 Days to Christmas vlog, day number 7. Not many doors left to open on our advent calendars now. And today's tip is truly magical because it could give you back as much as 3 months every single year.
On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
I was at a coffee shop earlier this week waiting for someone to arrive, and I was just sat there just doing a bit of people watching. And there was this guy off to the right that I could see that every time the door opened, sunlight shone in through the door and was being deflected off a Christmas bauble on the Christmas tree right into the guy's eyes. And every time, without fail, it stopped his conversation mid-sentence. Now, this isn't a tip about where to place your baubles, but it is about bright shiny things. Those things that can stop us in our tracks when we allow them to catch our attention. And it's been estimated that when you are disturbed by a bright shiny thing, it can take you up to 22 minutes for our brains to reset to a place where we're focused back on the original task at hand. And it's also been estimated the average Brit gets disturbed every 11 minutes. Now imagine just what effect that is having on you and your team's productivity. And if you extrapolate that number out, it means we can lose up to 28% of our day as a result of disturbances, or as little as a quarter of a week, 3 months out of your year, or a decade of a 40-year career. Imagine that. Those tiny distractions may be taking away 10 years of your life. A great idea is to keep a disturbance log and just notice and jot down who or what is causing your disturbances. But in particular, what I want to focus on in this tip is the one thing that is probably costing the vast majority of your disturbances: tech. And in particular, one device, your mobile phone. Again, it's been estimated that the average Brit checks their phone nearly twice every hour. Now, bearing in mind it can take you up to 25 minutes to get focused back on a task, it's easy to see the conundrum here. So how many times do you check your phone per hour? How many notifications have you got pinging and dinging, making them audible bright shiny things? How many apps have you got on your phone that are draining away what could be your most productive hours? Our phones are supposed to be a tool to help us, yet if we don't proactively use it as a tool, we become the tool, a reactive tool. So, start a disturbance log for your phone, become aware of the apps that are your bright shiny things, and then put together a proactive plan to reduce your phone usage in 2021. Use the tool or be the tool. It's your choice. It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas tip number 8. Now go out there and make it a cracking day.